Drilling can be messy work, especially when you're doing it at home without a lot of equipment. Whether it is inside a room, your garage, or anywhere else, drilling is going to be dusty and leave a big mess for you to clean up afterwards. But that does not always have to be the case. Instead of getting your floor or carpet all messy and having to clean all that up, follow this easy DIY guide to make a dust catcher that will stop all this from happening. For this DIY method, you are going to need a plastic bottle like this one and a paper cutting blade. Use the blade to cut your bottle up from the top, like we are doing here. Make sure to go all the way around so that the top is completely off. Now make another cut on the bottle, this time in a round shape across only one side. You will want the bottle to look like this by the time you are done. Now make one hole on the longer side of the bottle so that you can pass the drill across the bottle. Make sure that the hole is round and that it does not go all the way to the top so that it can hang on the drill. Once you do that, the dust catcher will be ready. Now we are doing to show you a visual representation of just how handy this little thing can be. You saw how the dust went everywhere when we used the drill without the right kind of precaution. But this is not a problem at all when you do it with the dust catcher, like we will show you now. You can see here how we made a hole and that there is no mess at all because the bottle caught all the dust. This was a very simple and easy way to make a DIY dust catcher at home using just a couple of common things. We hope that this method helps you out a lot and that you can avoid dust whenever you drill from now on.